This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a 1956 Volkswagen Beetle, and the problem we're having is we have a little play in the front end. So we got to get underneath there today and see what the problem is. Alright, I'm going to move the wheel. Oh wow, hear that clunk clunk in the box? Alright, we definitely got some play there in the steering box, but I don't know. Does that tie rod end look like it's moving too? I don't know if I got two problems. Alright, we're going to see if we can get that play out of the box. Work it from there. First thing we're going to do is see if we got play in the worm shaft. Right here, there is a pinch bolt, and then we have a adjuster nut right here on the bearing for the worm shaft. I'll see if I can pull up and down on that. Okay, doesn't look like there's any play there. Next thing we gotta do is remove the spare tire, which we just did. And we need to remove this access cover to the steering box. And underneath there is the adjusting screw for the sector shaft. Alright, this is the steering box. And we're going to zoom in on the sector shaft adjusting screw and lock that right there. You can see that I've had white paint on it where I've adjusted it before. So we're going to put a little dab of different color paint just to make sure that we can get back to where we are now. Because I'm pretty satisfied except the little play that it has. So we'll make a little mark there and adjust it afterwards. It's pretty tight down in there to get at that jam nut. So we're just going to use a socket. It's a 19 millimeter. We're just going to crack it, loosen it. Okay. Back that jam nut off a little bit. Alright, that's good enough. Now it's right on that red dot. So what we're going to do is give it a little turn. Alright, now we're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the lock to the left, a lock to the right, and we'll keep on going until it binds and then back off, and that's as much as adjustment as we're going to get. I'll turn the screw a little bit more. Whoop! Felt pretty solid that time. Alright, what's it feel like? Still some play there. And the steering wheels got tight. So we're going to back it off. Looks like it's... Looks like it's a little worn in the box. I figured that. Alright. We gained a little bit. Alright, I guess that's all we can do. Okay, here's what it's like after I did the adjustment. Yeah, you can still see there's a little play there. Well, that's all I can do. If I want it perfect, I'll have to replace the box. That slot was on the little red dot right there. And so we moved it that much, tightened it up a little bit. Not quite where I wanted it to take all the play out, but all the rest of the play is going to be in the box. Well, 1956 steering box, it's, you know, pretty difficult. Alright, we'll tighten it down right there. Alright, so that's a wrap on the steering box play on the old 56 Beetle. Thanks for watching, guys.